Today we're gonna be replacing the alternator on this 2019 Nissan Kicks. Let's begin by disconnecting the battery. It's very important that you go ahead and disconnect the battery. By just disconnecting the negative, that's more than enough. But if you are paranoid and crazy like me, just go ahead and disconnect both. The alternator is right on the top left in front of the vehicle. You will be able to see it right there. So let's go ahead and disconnect the power cable that goes to the alternator. I place the nut back in just to make sure I won't lose it. Now it's time to disconnect that plug that you see right there. So just go ahead and be patient with it. It's a plug, nothing special. Just be cautious, you don't break it. Pull it and you'll be good to go. That one right there is the belt tensioner. We need to lose the belt in order to remove the alternator. Of course, it's common sense. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Before removing the belt, if you are not sure how to put it back, make sure you take a good picture of it so that way you don't have any problem when placing the belt back. If not, that's okay. You can always search it on Google and you will see a belt diagram for it. The alternator has two bolts. That one right there is the bottom one. And that other one is the one on top. The one that I'm referring to as on top is the one that is at the back of the alternator. Facing, the one that is closer to the engine. You can totally use your regular tools, but just to speed up the process, I'm using this power tool. This is for the bottom bolt. Let's see if we can get it out with this adapter. Gonna have to cut this to move this cable so I have space to remove that bolt. So I went for the bolt that's on the cable aside. It's a ground cable. You can put it aside, keep the bolt safe, you don't want to lose it. So let's see, right now we have enough space to pull this alternator out. Of course, this is not gonna be that easy. Okay, so at this point the alternator is loose, but I cannot move it. Let me use some convincing technique to see if I can get it out. Well, it moved a little bit. It's moving. Yep, there we go. Let's see now how we pull this thing out of here. Okay, it's loose. The alternator is loose. The alternator is loose. But how are we gonna pull it out? See if we can go this way.
massive. But of course, we got a fighter. Not today, baby. Not today. Piece of crap is out. Out with the bad one, in with the good one. This is from a junk yard because every place that I checked is out of stock. They don't have it, and the ones that they sell are remanufactured. So I bought this online. I hope it works. It came with some broken, missing plastic things from the shipping. You know, they don't care. It's broken right here. So I hope this will work. If not, then I will have to take it out again and buy a remanufactured one. Let's go back in with this. Here we go. Let's see if I can make it through all these tiny spaces. Okay, it's in, but it's backward. I have to, let me see if I can move it. Put it in the right position. I think I will be able to. Yes. Okay. I think that's it. Let's go ahead and bolt it. I know this is gonna be a nightmare right now. Alright, I got that one on top. I got that one, yes. Yeah, I got that one. Oh. Let me get the one at the bottom now. That was a lucky shot. Let's see if I have the same luck with this one. I think it is in place. Not 100%. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right. There it is. Okay, this is 50 pound-foot torque, so I think that should be more than enough. Anyway, I'm gonna verify it is good, but it should be good. All right, as you can see, 50 foot-pound, and let's see. I think I'm not gonna be able to fit this. Let's see. Okay, good. Gotta be careful with this. So let's go ahead and connect this plug. Same position as it was before. Let's connect the power now. All right, should be good. Make sure that connection is good. It's a 12, by the way. and everything should look something like that. See, that plug is connected, and this is as well connected. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead right now and reconnect the serpentine belt and hope for the best. So at this point I have the belt route all around the pulleys except for the alternator, so I'm gonna go ahead and move that tensioner same way we did when we were loosening it, and try to place it around. It's a 14 as I mentioned before. Got it. Double check, make sure everything is fine. But basically at this point the belt is going around the crankshaft, then the tensioner, the AC, compressor, the water pump, and the alternator. Let's see what happened now. And of course, don't forget to reconnect this cable, this ground cable. Let's go ahead and reconnect the positive cable. In my case, I'm using a 10mm. Yours should be the same.